Sang IAS, Secretary, Tourism, Government of Manipur.
Chief guest of today's function, His Excellency, Honorable Governor of Manipur. Special guest of today's function, President Pangkhul Nagalong, President Pangkhul Naga Ungnaulong, Honorable Justice, Madras High Court, Honorable VC, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, respected Security Advisor, respected CS, distinguished guests, esteemed delegates, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon and a warm welcome to the 5th edition of the state-level Shirui Lily Festival. It is both an honor and a pleasure to stand before you today as we gather amidst the breathtaking landscape of Ukhrul to celebrate a truly unique symbol of our rich natural and cultural heritage, the majestic Shirui Lily. Today marks a momentous occasion, not only as we herald the return of this vibrant festival after a 2-year hiatus, but also as we commemorate the 75th anniversary of the discovery of the Shirui lily, or Lilium macleanae, a botanical treasure found exclusively in the Shirui hills of Manipur. This enchanting flower, with its delicate pinkish white blossom, has captivated hearts worldwide and inspired generations with its beauty and ecological significance. The Shirui Lily Festival is more than a celebration of nature's artistry. It is a testament to our collective commitment to sustainable and responsible tourism, ecological conservation, and the preservation of our indigenous culture. It's a platform that brings together diverse communities, tribes, and visitors from across India and beyond to explore the scenic marvel of Ukhrul, to learn about our tradition, and to foster a spirit of unity and pride. The return of the Shirui Lily Festival is not only a celebration of nature and culture, but also a vital step toward revitalizing our beloved state's tourism industry. After a challenging period of 2 years marked by unfortunate events that temporarily disrupted our progress, these festivals symbolize our resilience, hope, and renewed commitment to showcasing the beauty and the richness of Manipur. It serves as a strategic initiative to attract visitors, stimulate local economies, and create sustainable livelihood for our communities. Over the next 5 days, we will witness a vibrant tapestry of cultural performance, traditional dances, indigenous games like the Shirui Lily Grand Prix, and artistic exhibition that showcase the rich heritage of the Tangkhul, Nagas, and other communities. Adventure lovers will indulge in trekking, camping, and biking, reaching the summit of Shirui Hills to witness the mesmerizing bloom of the lily in its full glory. Our culinary delights will offer a taste of local ethnic cuisine, while a Sirok music festival promises an electrifying lineup of performance that will resonate with energy and enthusiasm. This year's festival also features innovative attractions such as the Shirui Lily Literature Festival, the Trash Collection Marathon, the Sea Chef Cooking Competition, drone, light shows, traditional weaving exhibition, and the glamorous Miss Shirui Lily pageant, each contributing to our goal of promoting eco-awareness, cultural pride, and community engagement. Let us remember that the true beauty of Shirui Hills lies in its ecological fragility. The lily's habitat cannot be replanted elsewhere, emphasizing the importance of our conservation effort. As custodian of these natural wonders, it is our responsibility to protect and preserve the Shirui Lily for generations to come. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all departments, police, security agencies, local communities, CSO, VAs, volunteers, medias, churches, and all the stakeholders whose tireless effort have made this festival possible. Your dedication ensures that Ukhrul remains a shining example of ecotourism and cultural vibrancy. In closing, I invite all of you to immerse yourself in the splendor of Ukhrul, to celebrate our shared heritage, and to commit to safeguarding the ecological and cultural treasures that define us. Let this festival inspire us to foster harmony, environmental stewardship, and the cultural pride. Thank you, and I wish you all a memorable and joyful Shirui Lily Festival.
Thank you so much, Secretary, Tourism, Manipur. To pay a befitting tribute to the memorable occasion, we present to you a band which is making Manipur proud in the global horizon. Ladies and gentlemen, Featherheads is an alternative folk rock band that whips the spirit of the Tangkhul Nagas into their music with an artistic mission to preserve the unique identity and folklore of the tribe. Globally celebrated, Featherheads is creating gigantic waves in the international musical arena. Please join me in welcoming the Featherheads.
Check, hello, check. Check, hello. Wishing a very happy Shirui Lily Festival 2025. It is a privilege to share the stage with all the officers and the elders of our community as well. We represent the Tangkhul tribe, we are Featherheads, and this is my wife John, and I'm Augustine Shimri. Here we are presenting a folk song of our traditional culture. Empire. Oh, hey, lo, miner empire. Oh, hey, lo, miner empire. Chico Creekeeper, oh hey, lo keeper Kayano, oh hey, lo keeper Kayano, oh Johnny Rampa. Rampa Kamina, oh hey, lo Rampa Kamina, oh Shirim Tingiva, oh
Thank you so much, Featherheads, for the vibrant and amazing performance showcasing the rich cultural legacy of the Tangkhul Naga tribe. Ningshinaire Featherheads. It was in 1950 at the Chelsea Flower Show in London, organized by the Royal Horticultural Society, one of the leading horticultural organizations, that Shirui Lily was honored with the prestigious Merit Award. Today, we are commemorating the 75th anniversary. May I take the distinct honor of requesting the Chief Guest, Honorable Governor Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Balla, to release a souvenir marking the proud occasion. Release of souvenir by the Honorable Governor Manipur. May I request the esteemed gathering to kindly rise. Kwai pum namak lepkat minanaba no lukchari. This is a very glorious and joyful moment for Manipur because its state flower, Shirui Lily, was honored with the Merit Award in 1950. Now, we are commemorating the 75th anniversary, and a souvenir has been released by the Honorable Governor. Thank you so much to the Chief Guest, Honorable Governor Manipur. We have a poem recitation entitled Princess of Mount Shirui, specially penned for the inaugural function of the 5th Shirui Lily State Level Festival and the 75th anniversary. By Lilicare Layson. The poem is written by her father, Mr. Happy Life Layson from Lamlang Village, Ukhrul District. The poem entitled
Thank you, moderator. His Excellency Shri His Excellency Shri Ajay Kumar Balla, the Governor of Manipur, and all the dignitaries gracing this inaugural function, and my dear beloved fellow men. Dedicating this poem, namely Princess of Mount Shirui, for the inaugural day function of Shirui Lily Festival 2025. I am Lilicare Layson, and this poem is written by my beloved biological father, Shri Happy Life Layson, from Lamlang Village, Ukhrul District, Manipur. Before we get to the poem, let me present to you the prologue. The poem, Princess of Mount Shirui, is being composed to honor the wild lily of Mount Shirui. In this poem, the wild lily of Mount Shirui is metaphorically used to personify the noble womenfolk of Manipur. And the enchanted Mount Shirui is employed here to depict the native traditional family home where there is devoid of gender strife. The poem is comprised of 5 stanzas, and each stanza contains 5 sentences, which was deliberately done to synchronize it with the following factors. 1. The native cultural ethos attributes cardinal number 5 with femininity. 2. The wild lily of Mount Shirui picks its bloom in the 5th month of the year. 3. And this poem is written to dedicate it in coincidence with the 5th Shirui Lily Festival 2025. The poem reads as follows. Princess of Mount Shirui, wilderness of Mount Shirui, the abode of wild lily of Shirui the princess, where orchid-garlanded mossy trees abound and flower-dotted glade adorns. The whole day long she plays beside the mossy wood which is her father, and lies asleep upon the green meadow, which is her mother, till dawn. In the wild of Mount Shirui they abide together, always glad and glee. Patiently and peacefully she dwells amidst the mountain mist of wild Mount Shirui, on her home ground of native red swell, being watered by mountain dew. Clouds on mountain Shirui, and rain rains the moment Shirui lily cries. And when she smiles, sunshine shines, clearing away the dark cloud. Mount Shirui, the weathercock of Dangkul, takes extreme care of her. In the wild of Mount Shirui, she grows and blooms with freedom at will. Though the best inducement being offered, she refuses to part with Mount Shirui, for destiny destines her to be the wild lily in the wild of Mount Shirui. Shunning urban mind, she longs for the wild feeling of the native heart, that she pitied the fate of flowers displayed in the urban store, send be visit. On the morn of equinox, the sun kisses the dark blue Mount Shirui as she lies asleep. The orchids of the mossy wood and the chromite rocks are her sisters and brothers. In their company, wild lily of Mount Shirui always feels gay and gaiety. She cautions Summer Love, her cousin, to be on guard against wily flower monger, to wage her freedom of the wild with care and concern of urban gardener, her demise in the sky.
On this occasion, we have a colorful cultural dance presentation. The curtain raiser will be the Tarau cultural dance. The dance entitled In Thona Lam, depicting how the Tarau tribe came out from the cave after defeating a ferocious tiger. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Tarau tribe as they come to present the dance In Thona Lam. That was a captivating dance in artistic costumes performed by the Kuringmul Youth Club, Chandil district. The Rao tribe is the smallest tribe of Manipur and one of the smallest tribes in our country, India. Coming up next is Ringui Phaichak folk dance to be presented by the Ringui Mathotmi Cultural Dance Club, Ukhrul district. The dance will be led by Yaure Shang Ahum and Warnim Ahum. Ringui Phaichak, a folk dance, is the dance of victory. In the traditional Tangkhul community, war between villages was a common phenomenon, while headhunting was regarded as a dignified act. In such a community, Ringui Phaichak folk dance was performed to celebrate the victory over the enemies. The place where the dance was to be performed was ritually sanctified by two brave warriors known as Rai Kapha. Ladies and gentlemen, we now present to you the dance of victory, Ringui Phaichak. Governor of Manipur to distribute Honorable Vice Chancellor will please stand by the Governor as the Honorable Governor will be distributing to the beneficiaries of Sangsak Khulen Ukrul District. Penmila Raihing, seedlings. Penmila Raihing, seedlings. The next beneficiary, Semichon Raihing, vegetable seeds. The next beneficiary, Ningyer A. Ragui, will be gifted with a rice mill. The other beneficiaries will be given the technologies after the inaugural function. Thank you so much to the Chief Guest, Honorable Governor Manipur. May I take the proud privilege of requesting the Chief Guest, Honorable Governor Manipur, to address the gathering.
Ya Milo, Ya Mai Si, what she taught to, I could pick up like that. Ya Milo, Ya Mai Si. Kurumjari, Namaste, good morning to all of you. On the dais, along with me, Tangkhul Naga Long President, Sot Vashum, Tangkhul Naga Wangku Long President, Kashung Tennyson, Security Advisor to Government of Manipur, Shri Kuldeep Singh Ji, Honorable Judge from Madras High Court, Justice Krishnan, Shri Anurag Vajpayee, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Vice Chancellor of Central Agriculture University, Shri Anupam Mishra, all other guests on the dais, and all people from Shirui village, Tangkhul Naga region, Ukrul and Manipur, who are all present here. A very warm and cordial morning to each one of you. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this grand inauguration of Shirui Lily Festival. It was a real colorful opening, as at par with the beautiful lily, Shirui lily, which I could see in the morning up when I climbed up the Mount Shirui. A vibrant celebration to all of you in the next 4 or 5 days, and I hope all of you will really enjoy it. This festival, which is held in this picturesque district of Ukrul, is a tribute to magnificent Shirui lily. A very nice poem was read about that lily. It was really heartening to listen to that. Found nowhere else in the planet but in this Shirui hills, this rare flower is a living symbol of Manipur's ecological wealth and natural heritage. Organized with this dual vision of promoting sustainable ecotourism and environmental awareness, this Shirui Lily Festival has grown into one of the most anticipated events in our state's cultural calendar. This year, as it was mentioned, marks a special milestone, the 5th edition of the festival and the 75th anniversary of the lily's first discovery, a moment of pride that reconnects us with our ecological past and our cultural present. Shirui lily is not just a flower, it's a fragile marvel of nature that blooms only within the unique microclimate of Shirui Hills. It cannot be transplanted elsewhere, which makes this region not just its birthplace, but also its only sanctuary. When I was climbing up, I was looking for, but unless you reach the top, you can't see any flowering lily. So it's that micro in the sense. This festival, therefore, is also a call to action, a reminder of our collective responsibility to protect this endangered species and the environment it thrives in. Timed with the peak blooming season, the festival brings together people from all walks of life, local residents, indigenous tribes, and visitors from across India and beyond. It serves as a platform to experience the vibrant culture of the Tangkhul Nagas through traditional dances, music, handloom and handicraft exhibitions, and delicious local cuisines. Ukhrul, often called crown jewel of Manipur's hill districts, is a destination in itself with its rolling green hills, pristine forests and deep-rooted traditions. It offers every visitor an authentic experience steeped in nature and culture. From the top there, one could see the valley and beautiful Ukhrul. It was really marvelous. From the trek to iconic Shirui Peak to the exploration of ancient Khangkhui lime caves and a visit to Longpi Pottery Village, known for its distinctive blackware, Ukhrul truly has something for everyone. So this year we hope that this festival, which has come back after a break of 2 years, will be a beginning again all over in the years to come, and we will see more and more people. We have the intent of promoting this festival now all across the country and abroad, so that in the next 1 year, when we are through with little more infrastructure in this area, we should be getting many more people in the next or the 6th celebration of this festival. The Shirui lily, with its gentle pink white blossoms, is more than a botanical treasure. It's a symbol of resilience, uniqueness, and the delicate balance of our ecosystem. That poem described that very nicely. As we stand together in celebration today, let's also reaffirm our commitment to conserve, to protect, and to cherish. Let this festival not only entertain and inspire, but also ignite a deeper sense of environmental stewardship and cultural pride. I would like to mention about the song sung by the young lady, which was a mix of Tangkhul and Meitei. So our culture is so rich that you can really intermix it and make it as this thing. Our compare mentioned also, it's unity in diversity. The whole country is a unity in diversity, but the micro place also, within Manipur you have unity in diversity. That lady in the song, which was very nicely received, people were so enthusiastic when she said it will be an intermix of Meitei and Tangkhul. This is perhaps what we need to do. Forget about the smaller things, get into a harmonious living and a peaceful living among all of us. Thank you very much once again for your presence, your enthusiasm, and your shared love for this beautiful land. I extend my heartfelt wishes for a joyous, enriching, and unforgettable Shirui Lily Festival to all. I would like to give special thanks to my team. Chief Secretary Saab could not be present here, but all other senior officers who are present, along with the Director Tourism, who have really worked hard to ensure that the festival goes smoothly and without any this thing. All the best to all of them. Congratulations also for the good work. Thank you very much once again. Jai Hind.
Manipur we kayasi kangaiya governali ningshina haira itum psychorally aman kashak katui haina katong sangkame wevang Honorable Governor Manipur, that was in Tangkhul. We are deeply grateful to the Chief Guest, Honorable Governor Manipur, for your valuable and encouraging words. Ningshinaira, thank you so much. A coffee table book on Shirui lily, published by the Forest Department, Government of Manipur, is a visually stunning collection of photographs and informative texts showcasing the rare and beautiful Shirui lily and the Shirui Hills ecosystem. May I now request Honorable Governor Manipur to do us the honors of releasing the coffee table book on Shirui lily by the Forest Department, Government of Manipur. A big round of applause as this beautiful book has been released by the chief guest of today's never-to-be-forgotten occasion, Honorable Governor Manipur. May I also request the chief guest to release a second book entitled Floristic Diversity of Shirui Kasong, authored by a very young native of Shirui village, A.W. Thotrin P. She has a master's degree in forestry. The book contains a scientific photographic documentation of the floristic diversity of Shirui Kasong, that is Shirui pig. May I request Honorable Governor to release this beautiful book entitled Floristic Diversity of Shirui Kasong, authored by a young lady from Shirui village, A.W. Thotrin P. The book contains a scientific photographic documentation of the floristic diversity of Shirui Kasong, that is Shirui pig. Thank you so much to Honorable Governor Manipur for releasing the Floristic Diversity of Shirui Kasong, authored by A.W. Thotrin P. May I now request respected Soyo A. Ungsek, Headman Shirui Aze, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you so much for the time. First of all, I would like to thank to the Almighty God for the blessing He has given us and for the blessing He has given to the Shirui village and Tangkhul community. Secondly, I would like to give thanks to His Majesty, Excellency Governors of Manipur, Chief Secretary, Governments of Manipur, and I would also like to say that our chief guest today, Governor of Manipur, is a man of action. As you can, I don't have to explain it, but as you all know that he has climbed the mountain and came back and still sitting very strong and very firm. Thank you so much. And this is the first time in the history of Shirui Lily Festival, a special guest or chief guest or any special invitees has climbed the mountain and came back. Thank you so much once again. And I would like to thank each and everyone present, all the officials over here. Thank you so much for your presence, and thank you so much for coming here once. to this small village and blessing us. Thank you so much once again. Everyone enjoy the Shirui Lily Festival. Shirui Festival ringpa meruno ntan meruno nixnaire.
May I request Honorable Governor of Manipur to open the state-level flower show competition, a dazzling array of flowers where competitors from the hill districts of Manipur are taking part in this stiff competition. After the opening of the state-level flower show competition, may I also request Honorable Governor of Manipur to inaugurate the art residency cum exhibition. A number of florists from the hill districts of Manipur are taking part in this state-level flower show competition. After the inauguration of the state-level flower show competition, Honorable Governor will inaugurate the art residency cum exhibition. Artists from all the Northeast states coming together to express the beauty of its inner voice. Initiated by Shirui Festival Organizing Committee in collaboration with Pandit Art Village and sponsored by the Forest Department, Government of Manipur. The renowned artists from the northeastern states have gathered together at Shirui Village to showcase their masterpiece. May I also request one and all to please encourage the artists by purchasing the art piece that you see showcase in the stall. From Mizoram, we have the renowned artist Lalrem Ruata Vate, from Assam Arundhati Chowdhury and Smita Saikia, Tripura Kamal Ghosh, Kajal Baumik, Sikkim Dheeraj Pradhan Harka Bahadur Mangar, from Nagaland Among and Toshi Longkumar, from Manipur Themrechan Kasom, Arunachal Pradesh Taba Yania and Nabam Hema.
Gator zingranli zimni kui kahorna kab kharo thada hor chamri hai nawi matha se kahai jina lishi khangaro kui amachuna Shirui Lili, knowing a noise on Kahai. kuya pamba amachukna nalilin kachang kagahaw mashima an mara nawi kama tajina your chat ma kai ngasak mana amyo
We ask one and all to visit the museum. It is a collection by Kankan Zemek of Sirarokong. Collection include Tangkhul tribes traditional antique including wooden works, basketry, earthen pots, traditional attires, weapons, tools, etc. Most of the collections are more than 100 years old. Other collections displayed include Second World War relics. Mini Museum is a wonderful feature of the stalls set up at the Heritage Ground, Vangayan, Shirui village, a part of the 5th state level Shirui Festival come 75th anniversary. We request our esteemed invitees to kindly visit the Mini Museum and the Art Residency which has just been inaugurated by the Honorable Governor.
Shirui kashong liwon da kalay lili Wanyur nga chay ili nagatamalay Nawi kamata chansam kawai malay O Shirui lili Nawi nga nuizon kahay Yang dama pen mana Ngator zingran li zimi kui kahorna Kab karo tada hor chamri hai Nawi mata se kahai jina leishi Kangaro kui amachukna Shirui lili Nawing anuizon kahay Yang dama pen mana Ngator singgan li Sinikui kahorna Kapkaro tada hor chamri hai Nawi mata se kahay jina leishi Kangarakui ang pamba Amachukna Nalilin kachang Kagahaw mashima an mara Nawi kamata jina Your chat ma kai ngasak mana